Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can create a custom toast in Android. So as you can see, I have already written a complete guide on this on my website. I will give the link in the description. You can check. You will get the source code and everything related to it in this blog. And so today we are going to design this type of custom toast notification. So it's gonna be very easy. I will explain you everything. So let's get started, guys. Okay, first we need to create a new Android project, and if you have the existing one, then also it's completely fine. Just for the demo purpose, I am using a completely fresh Android project. So here it is, and I have not done any changes yet in this project. So you can see it's a newly created project. Let me run it and I will show you. Okay, in the meanwhile, okay, it's running. So this is a newly created project. So first, let me explain you the approach, like how we can achieve this custom toast. I'm going to design a background of our required toast first. You can see here, this is a like rectangle with a rounded edge. For that, we need to create a custom shape file. You can see it starts from the shape tag, and in that shape we need we can use corners to make it like round in shape, and I'm using the gradient here to give this type of effect. This is completely optional. If you don't want, no need to give, and you can also play with the design shape and you can come out with a completely new design. That's completely fine. It all depends on your project and your requirement. So first, let's create a shape for our toast. So let's go back to the Android Studio and let's create a new shape file. So we need to create the file here. Just right click on it, and here somewhere you will get an option, this one, and here we can give the file name like toast shape, and the root element we can select is the shape. That's all. Click on the OK. It will create a new file. So just for the tutorial purpose, I'm going to simply copy this code and paste it here so that I can give more time in explaining everything. So this is for the corner radius, as you can see here. Let me change the value. So as you can see here, it was 30 and I made it was 14, and when I made it 13, it is more like a toast shape. So let's keep it 30 only. It looks more good, more better. And this is the gradient code which will give this type of effect. You can give here the starting color and here the ending color. So let me change it so that you can visualize it more better. So I'm making it black color. So you can see this is the starting color and the black one is the ending color. So let me undo it because I don't want this type of color. And this is the linear, this is the gradient tab, which means it will start from here and it will go straight away to the end here. And this is the padding. You can play with all the values and you can come out with any other design. That's perfectly fine. So guys, now we are done with the toast shape, and the first step is done. And if you go to the third step, now we have to create the layout for our custom. So in the earlier previous step, we have created the background, that's all. Now we have to use that background in the custom layout for the toast. So let's go to the Android Studio and let's create a new layout resource file, give some name and click on the OK. So as of now it's blank. Now if you copy paste the code for the layout, you will get something like this. And if you see here, this is the shape which we had created in the previous step. So now we are using it as a background. Now this is the image view and this is the text view. This image view, let me show you here in the demo. As you can see here in our custom toast, we have one image and this is the label text view. So this is completely optional. You can give two icons, you can give two labels, you can give one label here and one label below the first one. It depends on the design. I have chosen this type of design. You can choose anyone. So now our toast design is completely ready to use. Now we need some point where we can trigger this toast notification so that it will come to the screen. For that, we can simply create a button in our main activity and make it at center. So I hope this you are understanding all the basic concepts. If not, please let me know in the comment section so that I can improve it for the next time. So the ID is button, let it be button only. That's more than enough. And here we can give a nice message like click to open brand new custom toast. I know guys this message is too long, but let it be. Now let's run it. It won't do anything, but yeah. Okay. Now let's see what is the another step. We are done with the third step. Now in the fourth step, as I told you, we need a button, and in the set on click listener of that button, we need to use this code. No need to worry, guys. I will explain everything. So this is the button, and let's call it set on click listener. Where is our emulator here? Okay, okay. No need to cry. No need to cry. No need to cry. Okay, this is not the custom toast. This is toast layout. Now, guys, as you can see in the set on click listener of our button, this button, we have written this piece of code. So let me explain you what I am doing here. So first of all, I am creating a layout variable. In that layout variable, I am storing our custom layout, which is this one. Okay. So as you can see here, li layout inflator dot inflate, and giving the reference of our custom layout, and the ID is custom toast layout ID here, this one. So this is very clear. We need to just create the reference of this layout so that we can set the custom layout to the original native toast, as you can see here. Okay, I think it's clear. So let's run it and see it's how it is working, how it is coming to the emulator. So as you can see, this is the custom toast. So I hope this tutorial is giving some value to your Android knowledge. And if it is, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.